What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Boys, you can see in the bed of the truck and in the back seat represents about $960 more of the budget bill that is Project 4 to 8. And I'm not done yet. So I stand by my word, guys. In the video I did a while back, there is no such thing when it comes to cars as a budget build unless your budget is pretty much totally unlimited. But guys, we got some cool stuff for 4 to 8. Lots of progress on 4 to 8. Let's go. All right, guys, so we've got everything unloaded, and Jiminy Christmas. First of all, I gotta show you, Dover has been killing it. Dude, you've just been like getting after it. A little bit. Look at that, got all that harness all fixed. Got the intake sitting on it. And we did notice, guys, it's kind of weird. We bought brand new motor mounts for it, but for some reason it's crooked. And you've even shimmed it and it's still crooked. So I just stopped and ordered new motor mounts again. I have no idea why, but oh well. Let's see here. Got the power steering pulley from LMR, that on. And then also, boys, yes, progress on the interior too. What? Jeez Louise. Guys, check this out. Hold on, I gotta move all this stuff so you can actually see. Check it out. Rear seat delete is in. I freaking love it. We should have done like a big 4 to 8 mural or something. Nah, that's getting a little over the top. But yeah, guys, that looks freaking great. Really starting to come together. And then you're wondering, like, hey, what about these? Well, check it out, boys. They're right here. We're about to pull them out of the box. Brand new, fully loaded black door panels from LMR. Got the brand new SVE radiator from LMR. Dover's already got the brand new Flowmaster American Thunder cat back out, test fitting it. Oh man, oh, there it is. There's the rest of the cat back. Brand new off-road H-pipe finally showed up, guys. I'm gonna tell you right now, you can't get off-road H-pipes and X-pipes anymore. If you don't believe me, go look. This is one of the last from Flowtech, and I didn't think I was gonna get it, to be honest with you, but there it is. It finally freaking showed up. The other things, got new ignition switch, and then brand new positive negative battery cables, which we're going to put in. And yes, I do have some new parts from Detroit Speed. We'll look at that in a minute. Yeah, guys, we're gonna, ignition switch goes in there, new battery cables there. But yeah, here in just a second, we'll pull those out, show them off. But man, I forgot to get that lid. I'll get that lid and the battery. Yeah. It never ends. Yeah, I've still got probably another $1,000 worth of stuff that needs to buy, but almost there. All right, guys, so check it out. If you're wondering, yeah, you see this. This is the negative battery cable. Just junk, crappy ground and all that. Yeah, this is why I love LMR. All these little things that you need, they've got them right here. It's 100% correct. You screw it in, hook up the fusible link, hook it to the battery, and you're freaking good. And of course, brand new positive battery cable. Guys, this car is done right. It's freaking, and no, this is not a budget build. Yep, there it is. Brand new off-road H-pipe. Dude, those tail lights are beautiful. I can't remember if these are the ones that say Flowmat. Yeah, they are. Yep. Brand new American Thunder cat back. This thing's gonna sound great. Yes. There it is. Like I said, boys, if you can find one, you better snatch one up. Because we were both sweating bullets wondering how in the world we were gonna figure out a mid-pipe option. But there it is. But we gotta check out these new door panels. I'm excited to see those. There it is, of course. I get a lot of people, guys, I see on Facebook and stuff asking what's a good budget radiator. This is it. We've used so many of these out here. just standard polished aluminum SVEs. And they're, I don't know, what have we done, about 20 of these out here?
Done a bunch, yeah.
Mine's got the black one on it.
Fit good, work good.
They really do. We haven't had a single issue out of any of them. So there it is, boys. Brand new SVE polished aluminum. How do they say it over there? Aluminum. Blah, blah, blah. Never mind. Okay, but yeah, this is what we're really wanting to see, because these are freaking beautiful. Let's get these damn door panels out. Oh yeah. Guys, we're thinking about dying, and you know, and I was just like, screw it. LMR's got these. They're a little bit pricey, but I mean, overall, if you think about it, for complete door panels, it's really not that bad. Considering you got something brand new to work with and put in your car. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, look, comes with all the speaker grills, all the trim at the top, the deuce swipes, all that. Basically, all you gotta do is put your armrest in, then you look on the back. It's got everywhere you need to cut out. I mean, it just makes sense to go this route. Yeah, you can try to mess with the 30-year-old stuff, but man, those are gonna look freaking great in there. Alright guys, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and get the exhaust put on. Like, we still gotta put studs in the headers. Those on in there, and then yeah, there's the American Thunder catback. Tailpipes, we got tuck up really nice. It's gonna look good. She's gonna sound good too, boy. It's gonna sound like a proper, it's gonna have that proper Fox body sound. Alright guys, so it rolls on and on and on and on. I can't even really see the progress, but there's a lot. Battery ends on, compressor going on. Got the sway bar hooked up, got all the exhaust hangers up. We'll get it up here in a minute. The H pipe is on. Got the smog tube crimped off. Yeah. I mean, geez. Almost there. Yeah, we'll get it up in a minute, guys. We had to find another hanger and another rubber thing for that tailpipe, and then we had to find some body clips, and there's so many little things that you don't think about that you absolutely have to make this happen, at least to do it right. But getting closer.
Yeah, I don't like we doing shit.
Yeah, it really doesn't, but I mean,
feel like it, don't it?
yeah. Oh, you got the condenser in.
Yeah, I put the condenser in.
Condenser in? I didn't even notice that, see?
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much the whole problem with all this.
Yeah. Alright, boys, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, tons and tons of progress. Guys, I didn't film this. I mean, you've seen us do this stuff 100,000 times. But we've got so much freaking done, and no, it's not quite ready. We do have to swap the motor mounts, because again, the engine is sitting cockeyed. They're brand new Fox body motor mounts. Don't know why they're sitting like that. That's why we've got the radiator and the fan. The belt is on, all the brackets. This alternator is not staying, by the way, so just be cool. Obviously, air conditioning is on. And guys, just tracking down all these lines. Not everyone's new, but some of them are, and man, just finding all the little clips, the right bolts, the little rubber thing. I mean, you can do this half-ass, guys, and make it work. Well, that's not what we're trying to do here. Want everything to be right, the correct hardware, all that. So once we swap the motor mounts, we'll be able to set the radiator down, and I've got all the hardware right here for the shroud. New jug, coolant jug. I still got to get this. For the power steering. But guys, you can see all the AC lines are on. We had to fish out the vacuum line for the HVAC case, but the evaporator's on. All the vacuum lines are on. got the plug. I just got the plug wires on. I haven't cleaned them up or anything. Trying to decide what to do with them. But guys, I wish you guys could really have a full appreciation for what it really took to make this happen. And I'm so ecstatic about this car. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. Everything just looks. But yes, guys, as you can clearly see, it's coming together in a big way. We just got all the brake lines hooked up. We do have to figure out something. We may have to go ahead and swap this master cylinder back out. We just noticed it doesn't have a port in the bottom, so not 100% sure why. But gonna have to swap that out, and then I'm gonna get busy. We're gonna get these door panels all cut out and squared away. Put those in there, and let's see. I can finish wiring up some of the stereo and stuff, and I mean, yeah, it's won't be long, guys, and we're very excited for the first fire and the first drive. We didn't even pull the distributor out, so the motor ought to bust off and make all kinds of good noises. We found all the hangers, so we'll be able to hang the exhaust, but we want to go ahead and swap the motor mounts first. Yeah, doesn't look like we did a lot, but we did a lot, and it's definitely 100% closer, so won't be long. Hoping next couple of videos, I'm pretty sure we're going to start this thing. What do you think? Crack her up?
Sure.
Crank it up. Here, old 4-8, take her down the road. I'm dying to hear it, drive it, feel it. Ought to run great. And I'm going to tell you guys again, these little kits and stuff that you can buy from LMR make this job so much easier. You got the right hardware, stuff's not mismatched, and it just makes a big difference. It really does. So huge shout out to them again for making these little builds possible for all of us that are crazy enough to do it. So, and of course, guys, we will have very shortly, we will have an update on Jennings' car. I think he's mulling some ideas and stuff like that. So we should have an update very shortly on what this is going to turn into. Super excited for that. And then yeah, lots more stuff too. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Keep it tuned right here. Almost time. Been a hell of a project. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. Don't miss a single one, because I promise lots of big things coming in the next few videos. You don't want to miss it. Later.
What happened?
Yeah, first take.